Hello everyone and welcome to 2026. I wanted to personally make a little video and explain why Global Cannabinoid Solutions has evolved the way it has as we move into 2026. But before anything else, I want to say a big thank you. So this is to everyone who's learned with us, worked with us, challenged us, partnered with us, and trusted us over the years. Thank you. GCS exists because of a shared belief that cannabis deserves to be treated with scientific seriousness, responsibility, and long-term thinking. And that belief has brought us to an important transition point. Over the past few years, something became increasingly clear to us. The cannabis sector isn't struggling because of a lack of ambition, effort, or workload. It's struggling because too many decisions are being made without integrated scientific information. Even very capable organizations are forced to rely on fragmented information, disconnected advisors, static training, and outdated assumptions. Research lives in one place, courses in another, and consultants somewhere else. And that fragmentation creates confusion, delay, and unnecessary risk, often after decisions are already in motion and the investments have been made. So rather than adding more products or more noise this year, we stepped back and asked a harder question: what system would genuinely support better decisions properly, consistently, and at scale? And so that question is what led us to rebuild our work around scientific cannabis intelligence, or SCI as we call it. So SCI isn't a course, it isn't content, and it isn't consultancy in the traditional sense. It functions as an intelligence layer, continuously scanning, interpreting, and translating cannabinoid and endocannabinoid science into decision-ready insight. And so its purpose is simple: replace all of this guesswork with scientific clarity. And to deliver that in practice, we have built the lab. Now, the lab is our digital scientific infrastructure, and it's designed to give organizations their own on-demand research, training, and intelligence capability without building a massive R&D facility, without spending millions on labs and lab teams. Instead of relying on multi-million-pound laboratories, internal R&D teams, academic dependency, slow universities, or fragmented consultants, organizations in the cannabis sector can now build their own digital cannabinoid science lab, configured around what they actually need as an organization. And so now, training, intelligence, research support, advisory insight, and now AI-based orientation all live in one integrated environment, which is designed to reduce uncertainty before it becomes risk. Going into 2026, this isn't about selling courses or services, it's about providing scientific infrastructure so organizations can engage with cannabis science responsibly, confidently, and at speed. Now, over the coming days and weeks, you'll see new pages going live on the Global Cannabinoid Solutions website explaining scientific cannabis intelligence, the lab, our new environment, and the services that sit within it. And so my invitation is simple: explore it slowly. This system is designed to compound over time, not overwhelm you or your team. And we want to thank you for being part of this journey with GCS so far, for holding us to a high standard, and for caring about doing this properly. Cannabis is complex, and people and patients deserve better than industry guesswork. And that's what GCS exists to protect. We're looking forward to continuing this work together in 2026 to bring scientific intelligence delivered as infrastructure. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to continuing our work and collaborations heading into 2026. Thank you very much from myself, Chris Tasker, CEO, and the wonderful Global Cannabinoid Solutions team. Happy New Year.